Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? I hope everyone is fine. So children, in the previous video we have learned the concept in and out. Today we are going to learn another concept, that is UP, up, and DOWN, down. Up and down. So let's see children, what is up and what is down. Look at the pictures, read aloud. Let's see the pictures. You can see so many pictures are here. Along, what is this in the picture? Here it is written in the sentence. Let's see children. The, 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 FOX, fox, IS, is. The fox is. Where is the fox children? Here. Here you can see the fox is here. The fox is LOOKING, looking. UP, up. AT, at. THE, the. GRAPES, grapes. The fox is looking up at the grapes. So where is the grapes children? Here you can see. Here the grapes are there. So the fox is down. So the fox is looking up at the grapes. Where the fox is looking? The fox is looking up at the grapes. So up means upar. Down means niche. So the fox is looking up at the grapes. The fox is looking up at the grapes. See the next. THE, the. BOY, boy. IS, is. LOOKING, looking. The boy is looking. UP, up. AT, at. THE, the. FAN, fan. The boy is looking up at the fan. Here you can see the boy is standing here. The boy is looking up at the fan. So where is the fan? The fan is up. The fan is up. So the boy is looking up at the fan. So where is the fan? Up or down? The fan is up. So the boy is looking up at the fan. So here the two sentences which we have learned is of UP, up. Let's see the sentences of down here. THE, the. MONKEY, monkey. You can see the monkey is here. The monkey is, see where is the monkey? The monkey is on the tree. The monkey is LOOKING, looking. The monkey is looking. Where the monkey is looking? Let's see. DOWN, down. The monkey is looking down. AT, at. THE, the. BANANAS, bananas. The monkey is looking down at the bananas. The monkey is up, but the monkey is looking down at the bananas. Where the monkey is looking? The monkey is looking up or down? The monkey is already up, so he is looking down. So what we are using here? The monkey is looking down at the bananas. Up means upar, down means niche. So he is watching down, he is looking down. See the next. THE, the. GIRL, girl. IS, is. LOOKING, looking. The girl is looking. DOWN, down. FROM, from. THE, the. BALCONY, balcony. The girl is looking down from the balcony. So the girl is standing on the balcony and she is looking down from the balcony. You can see in this picture children. So where she is looking up or down? Down. So DOWN, down. Down means niche. Up means up, upar. So I hope you have understand where to use up, where to use down in the sentences. Here there is an activity you can see. circle the correct option. Okay, first see the picture. What is there in the picture? Then read the sentences. Then you have to circle the correct option here. See, the girl, you can see the girl here. The girl, T-H-E, the girl, the G-I-R-L, girl, the girl, I-S, is L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. The girl is looking. See, the girl is down, but the girl, where the girl is looking, she is looking up. So the girl is looking up or down? Let's see. A-T, at the M-A-N-G-O-E-S, mangoes. Where are the mangoes here on the tree? So now tell me where the girl is looking up or down? She is looking up because the mangoes are up. So the correct option is up. So we have to circle this UP, up. The girl is looking up at the mangoes. See the next. T-H-E, the B-O-Y, boy. I-S is L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. The boy is looking. U-P, up. D-O-W-N, down. Where the boy is looking up or down? A-T, at. T-H-E, the M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N, mountain. The boy is looking. The boy is looking. Where is the mountain, children? Here. So mountain is up or down? Where is the mountain, children? The mountain is from down to up. So it is big. So he is looking up at the mountain. So you have to circle UP, up. See the next, children. T-H-E, the G-I-R-L, girl. The girl, I-S, is L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. The girl is looking up, down. There is two options here. We have to select the correct option. Let's see. Let's complete the sentence first. A-T, at. T-H-E, the S-T-A-R-S, stars. So children, where is the stars? Where are the stars, children? The stars will be down or up in the sky? The stars are up. So the girl is looking up at the stars. UP, up is the correct option here. The girl is looking up at the stars. See the next. T-H-E, the B-O-Y, boy. I-S is L-O-O-K-I-N-G, looking. The boy is looking. See, where is the boy? The boy is on the tree. You can see he is up. So where he is looking, the boy is looking up or down? F-R-O-M, from T-H-E, the T-R-E-E, tree. The boy is looking, where he is looking, already he is up. So when we are up, where we will see? We will see more up. No, we will see down. So the correct option here is down. The boy is looking down from the tree. The boy is looking down from the tree. So the correct option here is down. So let's see here, children, once again. The girl is looking up at the mangoes. The girl is looking up at the stars. The boy is looking up at the mountains. The boy is looking down from the trees. Down from the tree. So children, I hope you have understand what is up and what is down. Thank you.